Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to find link cells in Excel. To begin, select a cell that contains a formula. Press F5 or Ctrl+G to open the Go to dialog box. Click Special, then choose Precedence to see cells feeding into your formula, or Dependence to see cells using your formula. This powerful feature helps you understand formula relationships instantly. Another effective way is using the Trace Precedence and Trace Dependence features. Navigate to the Formulas tab on the ribbon. Click Trace Precedence to display arrows pointing to cells that supply data to the selected cell. Conversely, Trace Dependence shows arrows pointing from the selected cell to cells that use its value. Click the button multiple times to show more levels of relationships. You can also leverage the Find and Replace function. Press Ctrl+F to open the Find dialog. In the Options menu, change Look-In to Formulas. Now, you can search for specific cell references, sheet names, or even the equals sign to locate cells containing formulas. This is particularly useful when you know part of the link you are looking for. For external links, navigate to the Data tab and click Edit Links. This dialog box lists all external workbooks linked to your current file. Additionally, the Name Manager, found under the Formulas tab, can show named ranges that point to other files. Be aware that external links can significantly impact workbook performance and data integrity, so managing them is crucial.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.